everybody. Alright, so I gotta chop up these vegetables. Tomatoes, sweet banana peppers, I've got bell peppers, I got this onion, I've got a fajita pepper or two, I got jalapeños in here, all homegrown, and then Roma tomatoes down here in the bottom. Got to get these all cut up, make some refrigerator salsa. Yes, I throw all that in my salsa. Got my lime juice ready. I got my cilantro. Got salt and pepper to the side. I'm not going to spare you the boring details of sitting here watching me get it all chopped up, diced up, all that good stuff. I'll get it all in the bowl, and then I'll meet you back here as I'm mixing it. But let's make some salsa. Alright, we're back. We're done chopping, dicing, slicing. You know, all that stuff we do in the kitchen. So, look at all that goodness in there. Tomatoes, peppers, onions. All that good stuff. Alright. So then, we're going to add a dash or two of salt. I'm not going to add much. Going to add just a little bit of pepper. And this is cilantro. This is dried cilantro. There's 4 bunches in this, so I'm not going to use much at all. Just a little pinch to go in here. It's best to use a fresh lime, excuse me. Got lemon on my mind today. But when you don't have a fresh lime, you can use lime juice. Just going to put a little bit in there. Maybe a little bit more. I think I need to make some lemonade. I think that's why I got lemons on my mind. And we're going to stir this really, really good. Now, it's best to let it stay in the refrigerator overnight before you use them. Before you eat it. My husband loves, I don't know if you can see it or not, to eat it with these. But he can barely make it overnight, letting this marinate. But he will let it go to 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours, that it definitely needs to definitely blend the flavors together. And I started a new veggie scrap bag for my bone broth that's going to be coming up in a video coming soon. Alright, so I gotta get that in the freezer. I think this is good and stir. As good as we're going to get anyways. Try not to make a mess. But this will go, like I said, in the refrigerator for a minimum of 6 hours. Preferably overnight. But if your husband's significant others are like mine, it ain't going to last that long. He's already got chips for his waiting. He was waiting for me to make this bowl. Which I had to go out in the garden and pick everything. Like I said earlier, this is all homegrown. So for the no limes, we don't have a lime tree. And no cilantro. So there's that. We'll put a cover on it. And that is refrigerator salsa. Look how vibrant that is. And really good for you. Turn up that heat a little bit. We'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. God bless.